Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to have you guys here. Today I'm doing a deep clean of the bathroom. I'll be upgrading our shower to a rainfall shower head combo, so stay tuned for that, guys. I am loving this shower head from Hibbent, so I want to thank them for sending me this to test out for you guys. Take a moment to thank Hibbent for sending me over their shower head combo. I absolutely love this product. It is super durable. It's made of high quality material. I've been using it for over a week and I must say I absolutely love it. It's one of the best showers I've had in years. I'm not even exaggerating. And I love the fact that it was super easy to install, first of all, and they are so helpful. The delivery timeline was super fast. One thing I love about it also, if you are in a rental, you can easily remove it and carry it with you and just put back the old shower head on. Again, I absolutely love it. My husband is going to help me take it off because I did have to put some muscle work in it to get this off, this particular, but I was able to install it myself. His instruction is there in the box complete, and again on their website. And again, if you need help or assistance, you can always reach out to them and they'll be happy to help. I love the fact that it's adjustable, so you can change the height and adjust it to your need. Also love the fact that you can use you have the option of using the rainfall and the handheld body sprayer at the same time while you're showering. Best thing ever, guys. Or you can use the rainfall alone, or you can use the handheld one alone. It comes with a 10-inch large square rainfall shower head. It's made of chrome finish with 7 spray settings, guys. And the handheld shower head, it's a 71-inch metal stainless steel shower hose, and it's 16 inches shower head extension arm. It comes also with an adhesive shower head holder, washers, Teflon tapes, and an installation manual. So everything that you needed for installation is perfect in the box. And the water pressure is the best that I've had compared to the previous shower head I was on here. Water pressure is out of this world. I was exaggerating when I went to take my shower for the first time with this, but I was not, because my husband went in after me and he had the exact same reaction. I mean, we were both mind blown. And I love the fact that it comes with a 16-inch adjustable shower arm extension. And again, it has 7 settings on the handheld shower head. Upgraded 3-way diverter valve. Definitely check out Hibbent. I'm gonna leave the link to their product and the website in the description box. Go ahead and check them out. And once again, thank you to Hibbent for sending me over their shower head. I absolutely love it, and I will not be going back to regular shower heads after this. Once we move, I need a rainfall shower head in every single bathroom. Once again, thank you, Hibbent. I am super excited about your product, and as you can tell, I love it, and I am so excited to share it with you guys. Thank you.
But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. When we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it. wish I knew.
If you guys made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check the description box for the link to the shower head combo and check out Hibbent's storefront. Also guys, have a blessed day, blessed week, blessed month, and a fabulous year. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And once again, thank you to Hibbent for sending me over their rainfall shower head combo. I love it.